This texture is amazing. Love it. Welcome back to my channel, guys.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing cold as ice, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade and you're watching She Slayed TV. Today I'm actually doing a wig review. This wig was sent to me from ebonyline.com. I will leave a link below in the description. And once again, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new review. When it comes down to this wig that I'm wearing, I will have a review out for her as well. But for now, we're focused on this wig. This is from the model wig line, and the style is called Bliss, and I have her in the color OT27. So she's a half up lace front wig, pre-styled updo. So the same care instructions, and it pretty much tells you a little bit about the wig, how to pre-style it, and it's pretty much a crown lace that it comes with. So this is pretty much what they're talking about by crown. Like the lace goes pretty much in a circle, and here's the ponytail it comes with. This color is beautiful. It's like a really nice ombre. This is the baby hairs. And this is pretty much how the parting looks. So you can see through it, because you can see my ring through it. But it's up to you if you want to add some pressed powder or not. The texture feels really good. Like, so far I don't feel any shedding or tangling, but let me throw it on and see. I'll be right back. Okay, real quick guys, I forgot to mention that it do come with combs right here in the front as well as in the back. It seems really stretchy, so let's see. If y'all hear any noise in the back, that's my handsome husband and handsome son sitting right there behind me. Okay, so this is the baby hairs that it comes with, and as y'all saw, I have mine laid down, so I don't know if I want to stick them together like yeah, these baby hairs are pretty long. I don't want to glue it down for now because I'm about to pop it off. It kind of, the thing that I use to lay my edges down will keep them down for a long time, so I don't want to use it right now. So I'm just going to pretty much show you guys the wig, how it's gonna come, how you're going to get it once you order it. I actually like this ponytail. Usually when wigs come like this, I take it down, but for this one, I don't think I'm gonna take it down. Not at all, because I really do like it. So I mean, y'all let me know what y'all think. This is pretty much it out the pack. Sorry, that's my daughter. So this is pretty much how you're gonna get it. So what you guys think. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Should I take it out this ponytail? Do y'all like the ponytail? Would you wear it in a ponytail? This texture is actually great for this unit. Wow. Thanks. Yeah, this unit, ain't really much I'm gonna do to this unit. And that's crazy, because usually when units come to me like this, I take it down. But I actually like this ponytail. I actually really, really do like it. So I'm gonna keep it just like this. Hope you guys see the part in space. I can definitely add some pressed powder to that. When it comes down to this unit, I don't know for now what I'm going to do with it. So I don't want to add no powder or anything on it. But look at this color, y'all. This is beautiful. The curls is beautiful. So far, I'm not even getting any type of shedding or tangling. The cap size is really, really, really flexible. Like, it's comfortable. So they did well. I actually think overall they did a good job on this unit. And the only con that I will say about this unit is the fact that where the ponytail is, if it was up to me, I'll put it back a little bit more. Like probably back here. Yeah, like let it sit right here. That's what, you know, I would do. But who knows? Maybe later on when I got some free time, I'll take it down. But I really don't want to take it down. When I say they did a good job, they did a great job on this ponytail. On this ponytail piece. I don't think I can make it as tight as they did. So, I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to leave it just like that. But, yeah, next time, though, I will be cutting these baby hair. But I'll lay it down. But for now, I like my natural baby hair, which is barely any. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to check out ebonyline.com. They always having good sales. Always got coupons and discount codes, especially when it comes down to shipping. They do like flat rate shipping sometimes. It all depends on if it's a holiday or what day of the week it is. Like sometimes it's just random 2-day sales and stuff that you see when you go on their website. But if you are interested in this unit though, I will leave a link below to where you can get it on ebonyline.com. And that's about it, y'all. Y'all know I don't like my videos too long. Let me know what y'all think. Comment below. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And tell me what you guys think.